Hi everybody, welcome to 2017 NRF. This is going to be our second video of the day. So the first one we focused on physical queuing, analyzing physical queuing, and call forwarding. This second video, we're really going to focus on virtual queuing via our Qtrac VR virtual queuing application. Now to demonstrate our newest capabilities and features, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the lifespan of a customer who's scheduled an appointment online, maybe from their mobile phone, maybe from a desktop, then arrived on site, checked in, and waited through the process using text to register. And then we're even going to see how the employees manage the different appointments and the different features. All right? So first of all, let's start with our brand new appointment scheduler. I'm going to call your attention to this desktop computer. This is what our new fresh scheduler looks like. We took a lot of time to make the user experience more modern. And of course, this can be embedded into a customer website, like a widget, or there can be full integration. Now, it's a very simple process where each function of the scheduler is on one screen to make it very simple to track. So first we're going to select your service, then location, the schedule time, and confirmation details. Now, one thing I do want to draw your attention to, the world is becoming very heavy usage on mobile devices. We're required to build a system that's friendly for mobile users. So of course this interface is totally mobile responsive. So I'm just going to shrink this screen so that it's the dimensions of a mobile screen, and you'll see how it flexes to be user friendly for anyone who's on their mobile phone. So maybe someone's at a shopping center and there's a store nearby and they want to book an appointment from their mobile device. So going back to our desktop demo, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select in-store pickup. That's the service I'm looking for the scheduler. And now it's time to select what store I want this service at. So I'm going to tell this little system that I'm in New York. And of course, the store that pops up is Javits Center. So you'll see here on this screen that my location is green and the Javits Center is red. And the store listing, we only have Javits there. And I want to draw your attention to the fact that we present our current wait time. So that's a derivative of our Qtrac VR wait time calculation, and it allows users to really be flexible in the real world. So I know I'm booking an appointment, but if I see the wait time is so short, maybe I'll go ahead and check in right now. So trying to empower all of those different users with flexibility. I'm going to select the location, go on to my next step, and now you'll see on this screen I have all the available appointment slots. Now you'll notice that I have the ability to check in now, because maybe wait times are so short and I'm at the Starbucks in the shopping center right near this Qtrac store. Or maybe I need to go ahead and find an appointment at a later time. So of course, as you all know, the parameters of the appointment scheduling are totally configurable. The amount of slots, scheduling different service types, it's all configurable. For the demo purposes, we're going to select a future appointment and we're going to go on to the next step. Now this step, it's going to ask us some very basic information just to validate the appointment. So I'm going to put my name here. My name today is going to be Mr. Qtrac. My phone number is going to be 123456789. And my email is going to be yoniel@lavi.com. Of course, for the best security measures, we're going to insert a CAPTCHA. And we're going to go ahead and submit. Great. So these are our confirmation details. We're going to get a text message with those details and an email. Now that I've booked my appointment, it's time to now check into the location and say, hey, I'm here for my appointment. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Steve's phone. Steve's going to unlock it for us. All right. And we're going to go ahead and text. We're going to go ahead and text to the text to register. So we're going to make a new message. We're going to select the business number. Now please note that this business number can be a short code. So it can be, as an example, *123. So we're going to put 661, and all of you can try this at home, 9760, and I'm just going to type in to the message Qtrac, because that's my name today.
The green?
Great. So now you'll notice that we'll receive a text message back with a link. Please note that there's no app downloads required. for this process. That's great because it's more flexible for users, no apps required. And now I'm gonna select appointments because now I'm checking in for my appointment. Now, if you all remember, my appointment number was 116. So I'm just gonna plug in that information. And now I'm officially checked in for my appointment and my ticket number is 116. So first of all, I'm gonna track my position in line on my mobile screen. This is updating in real time. And you'll also notice as an additional visual aid that I'm now officially checked into the pickup line as 116. All right? So I'm gonna continue shopping. I'm gonna go ahead and buy some things, and because I'm a little bit early for my appointment. But let's go ahead and see what the agents see from the agent side. So this is our counter position. I'm a sophisticated employee. Not only can I call the next available customer from this top bar, I see all of my customers in line. And in addition to that, I also see right here that Mr. Qtrac has shown up and he's got a scheduled appointment for 12 o'clock and he's a little bit early. Now, we can take you through some of the features, but obviously there are many tools on this agent screen. We can sort and filter. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, I'm gonna go ahead and just call Steve directly. And we're gonna notice that Steve's personal device shows that he's been called to counter A for a scheduled appointment. And Steve's gonna get nice service delivery from the Qtrac store. And afterwards, Steve's gonna receive a little follow-up asking how service was for reporting. We're gonna go ahead and click good service because we love the Qtrac store. And that's pretty much the whole process. So you see how flexible we are on so many different avenues between appointment scheduling, from mobile phones, from desktop, different ways to register yourself into the queue, whether it's text to register or the kiosk, and all the different interfaces for a full-blown appointment scheduling and virtual queuing application.